Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to discover how to transform your photos with Canva's easy editing tools? Open Canva, click Create, select Custom Size, then enter your preferred dimensions. For this tutorial, use 300 by 300 pixels. Go to Elements, select Photos, and type Boy to find images. Select this image here. You can also add a different wrapper. Click Edit, then choose Magic Expand or BG Generator. First, duplicate the page by clicking it, then select Try Both. Finally, select the image to apply your changes. Edit, then try Magic Expand. Select the page and click Expand. It's a steamer with a tap cap and possible backup provided by Magic. Expand the app, then click Edit. Select the BG Generator app and type Display to use its features within your project. Generate content outside the classroom near the canteen. Select the area outside the classroom to begin generating. Focus on the space to create your desired output. This location provides context for your generation task. Confirm the selection to proceed with content creation outside the classroom, next to the canteen. The image is inside the container outside the classroom, near the door. To manipulate it, select the image and adjust as needed. You can also choose other images, such as searching for toy animals, to replace or add within the container area. Type toy animals, select one, then add a glass container to your project. Type glass bottle or glass transparent bottle in the search bar, then enlarge the selected image. Use the background remover on this element inside the bottle. Then, resize the dinosaur and position it as needed within the bottle. You can remove the background from the dinosaur on top of the bottle. This dinosaur resembles the one inside the bottle. To manage them together, select both and click Group. Additionally, you can search for a plastic cover to place over this bottle to complete the design. Type plastic bottle cover and select a design. Trim it to fit as needed. Then, remove the background by using the background removal tool. Finally, enlarge the image to the desired size. This is the final result. To manipulate images in Canva, select the elements, then click Group to combine them for easier editing. Click Share and Download. Review all selected pages to ensure they are included. Increase the PNG size for better image quality before downloading. This ensures you get the best resolution for your final file. Now you're ready to rock photo manipulation in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.